Hey, good morning, everybody. Jesse here out in my kayak today, and I can't tell you how excited I am about that. I have not had this thing out in months. Been so busy out in the boat, charter fishing and stuff. I'm here on the eastern shore today. I have a full day planned, even though I did oversleep this morning, which I was kind of upset at myself about. So I'm 2 hours behind schedule, but anyway, the sun's high. It's already nice and warm. And I'm going to be trying for a variety of fish today, actually stocking the freezer since I haven't had much of a chance to fish myself. So I think first thing this morning, I'm going to try for sheepshead. Let's see if there's any out here. The water temps are 60 degrees almost exactly. So I'm thinking they're still here. And then probably flounder and specks later in the day. I don't know, just going to make a full day of it, have some fun, enjoy the kayak time. So wish me luck. Just a minute, I got a little worried there for a second. I got out here and I really wasn't seeing much on the sonar. But now I'm a little farther. I'm actually seeing marks. Seeing they might have already had left, but it looks like there's still some hanging out here. So like always, I got the fiddler crabs. I got a 1/2 ounce, I believe, a jig on here, and I'm going to try to catch me some of these October sheepshead that are hanging around, late October sheepshead. See if I can start off with a quick limit of them this morning, hopefully, before moving on to other things. You've seen me fish these pilings before, and it's kind of critical to get these right at slack tide out here, because otherwise it's almost impossible to get down to these fish. And we're right at that window this morning, so it worked out. Even with me running late, I was still able to get here and try and target these guys. I saw one or two, didn't really see anything up shallower. Once I got out here in deeper water, I started seeing some marks. Alrighty, well, that didn't take long. They're here and they're biting. I don't know if I'll get another chance at that particular one. Hooked into that one for a second, so it's a good chance that he ran. Spooked him. I don't see him on the sonar anymore. Yep, definitely spooked that one. Move on out here a little bit farther. See if I can mark another one. Oh, there's one. It's probably that same fish, 10 foot down. Let's give it another try. What the? Serious. Even my drag isn't set right. Lord, until I haven't been out in a while, I'm definitely not on it as far as having my stuff together. This morning, left the boat ramp this morning. Had to run and go back because I forgot my sunglasses. Overslept this morning. Oh Lord. Didn't set the drag on my reel. Here we go. Oh, there you go. Wow. Donating crabs this morning. They're definitely down there, and I've got them chewing. They're eating good this morning. Some nice crab breakfast. Oh, one more try, please. One more chance. Yeah, I'm stepping way out. Probably not going to get a bite way out there. Shame I had 3 good bites on that pole. All right, out here in the grouping. Let's see if maybe I can get one out here to eat. Got that one. All right, you can work now. Got that one. Oh yeah, nice size, eating sheepy too. Thank you, buddy. Good to see you still out here. Right on the lip, just as pretty. Keep these guys on a stringer to begin with this morning. Got one out. Make sure that's clipped good. Yep, that's fine. All right. I'll tell you, these little poles in current makes it a little bit of a challenge. For sure, getting down and staying close. I'm catching them if I can get it down there. Oh yeah, that's a little bigger than that last one. I caught another one off camera. Let it go. It's kind of small. I actually prefer these 12 to 16 inches for eating. The fillets just aren't as thick. Some of them big ones, man, the fillets are so thick. All right, I was keeping them on a stringer. I decided to just keep them in the ice bag back here since I got it with me. It's kind of being a pain trying to get that guy in that stringer. All right, y'all, so the current is picked up too much, so I'm basically just working my way back up here. I'm going to fish the ships and do something else for, through the rest of the tide, and try this again later when it hits slack tide again. So I'm headed up this way. I want to do something different. Alrighty, do another little jig here. Running a standard Skinner rig here, tandem rig, bucktail, and a glass minnow on the top with gulp. Trying for some flounder here. Do realize it's late in the season, but you know what? Screw it. I've caught them here before this time of year. So can't hurt to try. Well, folks, I was jigging along here just now, and I hooked into something and pulled it up, and I thought I was pulling up like a rock or something for a second. Then all of a sudden it picked up a tremendous head shake and just dove and got off my rig. I felt like this. What is this? Is that a flounder? Yep. Sure is. That's what I want. Oh shoot, it's not a keeper though. I swear I think I just had another one on, but it's huge. It got off. At least I caught one so far. I think I had a big one on a minute ago and lost him. As soon as I hit the bottom. That's a flounder, that's a big one. What is that? Oh yeah, that's a big flounder. Yeah. Oh boy. Now that's what I want. Right when I was getting ready to give up. There we go. That's a nice flounder, y'all. 20 inches. Nothing wrong with that at all. Thanks, sir. But yeah. Yeah, another trash fish here, I think. Oh no, look. New world record. That's funny. Well, since I'm here by this nice big hole, can't help but send down a crab and try for some tall tog. I don't know if it's a bit early in the season still. We were catching some out at the bridge the other day. Nothing. All right, I'm gonna head back over here, see if I can get some more sheepshead. Ooh, all right, y'all, back out here. I still need a couple more sheepshead. We're getting to where we can actually fish for them now, so come back out here and give this a shot. There we go, that's good. You thief, got you that time. Just did get you too. Right, that's another nice nice one for the cooler bag there. Thank you. Gosh, almighty, that took some time. Jeez, y'all, that took quite a while to get those last two. Woohoo. Now, I can go do something different. All right, he's in the bag. Thank you, buddy. All right, man, that was a hike. I was way on the shoreline over there looking for some trout. I didn't find any. So I made the hike back to the ships, and I'm going to jig here a little bit longer for some flounder and see maybe some tautog. I don't know. And maybe try for trout one more time right at dark. So that's what I got planned. Anyway, flounder time. Okay. Got some weight. Oh yeah. It's a flounder. Well, there's definitely still flounder here. Just gotta find one big enough. That little guy ain't gonna cut it. There we go. Some weight to it. Right when I was getting ready to give up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's that keeper I need. Oh yeah, baby. Awesome, awesome, thank you. Oh man, that is a nice flounder. Trusty slippers. Yes, that's 19 and a half. I'll take it. Little baby flounder. I want your grandpa. I know he's down there with you. Let go of, you can't have it. Definitely flounder down here. You hit the bucktail. Alrighty, I think I might be done with flounder. Time to switch out. Throw some crabs down. Oh yeah, there's structure down there. See if we can catch a tautog. Literally first drop, I get snagged. I'm gonna lose my rig. That's tautog fishing.